I have been cooking so much these days that I feel like Gordon Ramsay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making this nice little KitKat fudge, and it is dedicated to Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And here's a cute picture of me and my mother.
So, let's get started.
First things first, this is just mind blowing. You're going to be needing 3 ingredients only. Number one is KitKat. I got this off a special offer. That is, I have 2 packets of KitKat. These are the 2-bar ones. And you'll need condensed milk. Yes, the entire can of condensed milk. And here are the quantities of everything. So white chocolate, you can get the white chocolate bar, the chocolate chips, anything that you want. I have the choco chips kind of ones. And here are again the measurements and the quantities of everything. Step 1, we line the glass tray with butter paper. This is to ensure that the fudge comes out real nice and does not stick to the bottom. Step 2, we line the bottom of the tray with KitKat bars. This is the best part of all. Aha, this is so nice. I'm just being a little crafty, of course. I'm going to be removing the wrappers. Come on. Yeah, that is me trying to put it in a line. We have to put it in one line. There should be minimum gap. And since this is not a square tray or a rectangular one, I am having a little difficulty with shaping things out, but we'll work it out. Try to get hold of a square or a rectangular shaped tray. Yep, that's done. I've lined it all with KitKats. This looks so nice. It looks so good already. Like Step 3, we moderately preheat the pan, not much. Preheat the pan has become my tagline now. And we pour in the entire tin of condensed milk. This is so satisfying to watch. And we have to keep on stirring it. It is a little thick in consistency and we have to bring it down to a more liquid form, but we cannot stop stirring it. And the flame is too low, it is just like a little heated up, that's all. I am not boiling it, so you can understand, right? See those cute little bubbles? See the texture now? It has come down to a little more liquid form. Yes, that is what I want. I'm now going to be pouring in 1 cup of white chocolate chips. This is so nice to look at. And we again have to just keep on stirring it. The main aim here is to get both of it mixed together so that it becomes one paste only and not, so differentiated. And here's a little zoomed in picture for you. You can understand that this still needs a lot of stirring because you can differentiate the choco chips from the condensed milk. Oh lord, my arm. But thankfully this is a very quick process. Like, do it fast and it's all done. I now went ahead and divided the KitKat into smaller pieces. I'm trying to do it with so much concentration. Yes, we have 4 pieces now. You go ahead and divide the smaller ones into furthermore smaller pieces. I'm very bad in maths, don't ask me how many pieces those are. I'm adding in an approximately 1 bowl of the small KitKats. We just give it a couple of stirs and not mix it entirely because we want the wafers to stay as they are. I went ahead and added a few more pieces of the KitKat wafers because I wanted to be a little more crunchy. It is now time for us to pour the mixture onto the tray, and I had put the tray in the freezer so that the KitKats do not melt. You look at the small wafers. I can already say this is going to taste so good. We now spread it all evenly, and you have to be very quick because you don't want it to harden. This step is optional. I'm just going to crush the Oreo wafer and spread it all over the mixture, but you have to be very sure that you spread it before the mixture, the top hardens, because it won't hold the Oreo sprinkles otherwise. The last step, I'm telling you, is the hardest of all. So we put the entire tray in the freezer for 3 whole hours and just wait for the entire thing to harden. And this is the final look after 3 hours. I just went ahead and cut them into small square pieces because that is how brownies look like. You look at the bottom, so nice. Just try it out, guys, and let me know how did you like it. Yeah, I really hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for all the support.